Here's my little rant about people complaining about Lucas wiring being so bad. It's Lucas wiring, you know, warm beer. You know, that joke. This is a 50-year-old harness. Nothing wrong with it. Hasn't been abused. Sheathing's still good. Wiring is still good. Little overspray on the horn connectors there. Bullets for the headlights and the ground are all good. I mean, it's sheathing and copper stranded wire. How can it fail? How can it be bad? I can tell you why it's bad, because people don't know how to fix wiring or check for what's bad. If it's 50, 40, 60 years old, it's either user error, people cutting it up, repairing it wrong, especially the horns. People don't know how the horns work. And then terminals, ends, these double ones will always break inside or just get corroded. It's not a design flaw. It's age. Nothing lasts forever. I'm going to replace all of these, clean all the bullets, finish wrapping this. Had to resolder the wiper wiring here, had been repaired, so I resoldered all that. Added a few new bullets where they needed to be, like the headlights. The headlight steering column switch comes off the ignition switch from the amp gauge to the headlight switch, which is not actually fused. There is no fuse on the headlights, which I had a customer after VTR drive home and his harness fried because the dimmer switch to the headlight column shorted and melted it. I was able to save it, but inline fuse for the headlights is a must. Terminals are all good. Obviously, a few repairs, temperature, and oil. Got new gold crimped terminals, obviously with the correct tools, and even the ground for the one on there's a ground terminal on the firewall next to the battery where it goes down to the starter. New plug for the new starter. Still got to clean some of this up, relabel it. Added an extra ground for a couple places, but yeah, everyone says that horrible Lucas joke about their wiring being horrible. Warm beer. That joke. I disagree. There's nothing wrong with this wiring. There's nothing wrong with the design. Obviously, a few terminals would probably get a little hot near the engine and get brittle. But as long as someone hasn't chopped it up and had a dumb previous user and shorted something, didn't know how it worked, this wiring harness is fine. Unwrap the entire harness mostly. Got to retape a lot of it back. But again, I do not agree when people make jokes about Lucas wiring. Now the plastic stuff, yeah, I can get. Plastic stuff near heat can go bad. The plastic switches in the dash, some of those are actually clear Hooters, not actually Lucas. Or there's another brand, I forgot which. Plastic toggles. Pull switches never failed. Obviously corrosion and dirt and age can get them corroded. But I'd rather use an original harness. That's my rant for the day.